For this video, I'll discuss on finding percent of a number. So example in here, number 1, what is 20% of 80? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to change 20% to decimal. Have this one as, so this is 20, so the decimal is in here. So what you're going to do is you'll just move the decimal 2 places towards left. So this will become 0, then 2. So this 20% will become 0.2. Then the word of here means multiplication. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 0.2 and 80. So 80 times 0.2. So this will be 0. 2 times 8 here is 16. Then decimal point is 1. So this is 16. So the answer here, what is 20% of 80? Your answer should be 16. And number 2, what is 14% of 40? So the same with number 1, we're going to have 14 as 0.14. So this is the decimal point here, so we're going to move that one 2 places towards left. So that will become 0.14, then multiply to 40. So 40 times 0.14, this will be 0. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Carry 1 here. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then there are 2 decimal places here, so we're going to have 1, 2, so this will be 5.60, or you can have your answer as 5.6. Then the next one is, what is 70% of 75? So we're going to have here 1, 2, so this will be 0.7, so we're going to have 75 times 0.7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3, that will be 52. Then 1 decimal place here, so we're going to have 52.5. So 70% of 75 is 52.5. Then number 4, what is 5% of 16? So this is 5 here, so the decimal point is after 5. So we're going to move 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. So 5% is 0.05. Then multiply this one to 16. So this will be 16 times 0.05. And 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Then you have 2 decimal places here. So 1, 2. So the answer is 0.80 or 0.8. So 5% of 16 is 0.8. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.